you. Me I one day for your body like a tattoo. Sweet to you. And if I like, make you forgive me, banku. Baby, me I one day for your body like a tattoo. Makachuku, if I give you one, you go come for the part two. Oh, me say do me longer. I swear she dey give me joy. The way your body conquer.
Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a wig with a closure, step by step tutorial video for beginners. The hair I will be using is from Julee Hair on AliExpress. I will be using their Brazilian curly hair with a closure 14 and 16 inches, the closure 12 inches. These are what came with the hair. And then they also have Chinese Spring Festival sale right now. If you order hair from them, you will get some discount. To start, I will be using a dome cap. I will first of all go ahead and sew down the closure. I will first of all sew down one side, and I will go ahead and sew the second side, and then before I will close the middle space. Just watch this video, you will follow up with the tutorial. If I am done with the middle space, I will go ahead and secure the both threads and the cut. I will just go ahead and start with the bundles. Because I want the wig to be full, I will just go ahead and double the width. If you want something very simple, I would advise you to sew single width. Because I want the wig to be very full, that is why I am doubling the width. And what I will be doing flip over method, because I don't want to cut the width. I will just go ahead, sew to this side, flip it over to the second side, and watch this video and you will follow up. I have a lot of tutorial videos showing you guys step by step how I usually make my wigs. You could also check them out if you want. Because I will be using 4 bundles, I will not be giving too much space. I will just go ahead and cut off the excess dome cap from the closure. Where the excess dome cap is, I will cut it out from the closure space. And then I will just go ahead and use a needle and the thread to secure the dome cap. Doing this is very good. Like I said, I will just secure it round. And then if you want your handmade wig to last longer, I would advise you to secure the dome cap with the closure. And then what I will do, because I want to be able to dance whenever I put on this wig, because me, if I am having my wig, I usually love to be like free. At the end of this video, we see the way I will be shaking my head and the wig will not be off from my head. And I will just go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I will just go ahead and put on the wig. I created middle part, but I don't want that middle part. And I will just go ahead and use styling comb to push it up a little bit and then style it to my own desire. I love my hair to be very full, especially when it is coiling. And I'm loving the look. I used 4 bundles, 2 16 inches and 2 14 inches. You guys are seeing the way I am shaking the wig, and the wig will not be off from my head. This is the reason why I sewed in that extra band at the front. And I just want to style it for you guys. If you want me to make a tutorial video showing you guys how to do this style step by step, comment in the description box below. If I am going somewhere and I don't want to have hair that will disturb my face, this is how I usually put on my wig and wrap it round. And I was also rocking the style. Don't forget that this hair is from Julee Hair on AliExpress. This is their Brazilian coiling hair. I used their 4 bundles, 2 14 inches, 2 16 inches, and a closure of 12 inches. And the details of everything I used in this video will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.